love that, what I just saw. Was that a heritage unit? Just later tell me, was that a heritage unit? I don't know. I know I have never seen that before though. Well, yes I have. I saw that one time, probably like 4 months ago I saw that. I didn't get it on camera. It had like a green switcher. Had that unit, had a blue unit, which was BC rail, and it had one of those red, white, and blue BC rails too. A very weird train, and I didn't get it. But hey, got this one, good enough.